Hey y'all, go and dust off that air fryer. If you like pork shoulder steak, then you're going to really enjoy this. Before we get to cooking today, we'll need to do just a little bit of prep. Go ahead and gather these ingredients. Okay, so let's make a quick marinade by mixing all the ingredients in a clean bowl. Once everything looks consistent, add the pork steak and thoroughly coat it on both sides. Now let everything sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. Not only will this tenderize the steak a little bit, but it will infuse the meat with a savory flavor that's just simply hard to beat. So while we wait, let's cut up a few peppers into halves. When the meat prep is close to completion, let's go ahead and get the air fryer preheated to 400 degrees. We're going to cook the shoulder steak on top of the peppers. That way the peppers will absorb some of the drippings and the flavors throughout the cooking process. Now place the steak on top of the peppers and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes are up, flip the steak and cook for an additional 10 minutes. At this point, the result should be a juicy, flavorful pork shoulder steak with crispy edges. Also, the peppers underneath should be well seasoned and crisp along the edges as well. Plate, serve, and enjoy. I'm always happy when you guys stop by, so do me a quick favor, hit that like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your family and friends. All those things help this channel grow and go. Until next time, I just like to cook, and I'll see you later.